As we get set for an absolute heat wave, what are the health issues that may be preventable or do not need you to see your GP? We're going to cover those right now. So number one, sunburn. Really common problem. Unfortunately, it does happen during a heat wave. Easily preventable. Make sure you use plenty of good factor sunscreen. Don't stay out too long in the sun and cover yourself up so that you can prevent it from happening. If you do get sunburn, remember a couple of things. Number one, it is painful, so take some pain relief. Number two, use some simple creams from your pharmacy team. Seek medical advice if it looks like it's getting infected and stuff. Number two, we've got lots of issues that many people have with feeling dizzy or faint during a heat wave. This is often down to poor hydration, not drinking enough fluids. Make sure you drink plenty. You're going to lose a lot more heat than you realise, particularly if you stay outdoors. And important to remember things like caffeine, so tea, coffee, fizzy drinks, that kind of stuff, and alcohol don't really count as hydration because you often will pee out just as much as you drink in. Number three, common issues is ankle swelling. Happens really a lot in particularly those elderly patients and stuff, and it's partly because they're not moving as much, and again because they're not drinking as much. Often will settle down at the end of the heat wave and stuff, and seek medical advice if you're having breathing problems. Speaking of breathing problems, hay fever, really common. I have it myself, and it's a real nightmare during heat waves because, well, the trees are doing what they do and releasing more pollen. Easily treatable through your pharmacy teams. Remember, things like the sprays and the eye drops will take a few days to kick in, and basically seek advice if you are having breathing difficulties. Next up, a really common issue I see on the triage lines during a heat wave is urinary tract infections. This happens a lot because people, again, may not be drinking as much as they need to, and easily manageable and preventable. Often a lot of our pharmacy teams are able to give you direct support without having to contact your practice. If not, can often be dealt with unless you're having serious complications. Though those are the main issues you need to be aware of. Let us know what you think. Catch you soon.